Hello Nigerians. I want Vinto on the Keske Oshodi where they pay me for my inner chester. As it be not tunde like a this, I dey slim. Yes, I dey slim. Bandit Mandela's day life for TikTok, they do give away. And some of our youth, they best their Aza, they give them account number so that they go give them money. As then they pass their Aza, they pass their account details. Now in those bandit Mandelas, they ask them to say, shebi una say make government catch us and buy us. Why you not come the person on Aza? Some of our youth even they ask them which day then they lap in their area. Which day then they lap in their area scatter. Now I shed tears. I shed tears. Nigerian youth, who do us this thing? Who damage our brain like this? Say bandit Mandelas where they buy people anyhow. They live for TikTok, they do give away. Una they there, they give themselves. Una even they give them. Una they motivate them. Una they encourage them to go on with their devilish art. Nigerian youth, who they una go get sense? Who they una go wise up? Okay. Now I see the reason why the late president of Nigeria, Muhammad Buhari, call us lazy youth. Now because of all this nonsense. Make a Vinto na the Keske Oshodi. A sense man no dey for nothing can drum. As soon as they give them on account details, so that they go fit send money ka brand the phone. Make a Vinto na. If they catch ona, they go still buy ona. They go still kidnap ona. As soon as no get sense. Nigerian youth, which day una go ever dey serious for una life? Bandit they do live for TikTok. On a day there, they encourage them. They give them on account details. With this singular act, I still maintain what late President Muhammad Buhari said. Some of us are lazy. In fact, some of Nigerian youth are lazy. Some of una no get sense. Some of una just they useless. They're not supposed to even call una youth. Una shame, they shame me. Una shame, they shame me. Some of you not deserve to exist. Some of you, animal better persona. Ndara. Nigerians, make una buy me audience because I want Vito na the Keske Oshodi. Bandits don't surround us. As I devin to you like this, bandits don't Casablanca all the whole Nkoro. Bandits don't Casablanca all the whole Nkoro we ogide for every state. And we know they do anything about them. As I devin told you like this, we give them chase yesterday evening for my community. For you to know, say these people they everywhere. As a binabo like this, their main targets now students, teachers, and passengers. Those where they travel far distance. Small time now, they go begin to enter market women and market men, and we know they do anything about it. Nigerians, make every old man they careful. Make every old man rise up. Make every old man be on guard. No go they buy relax at the chillas for your whole of them man. Why are the voice out like this now? Because some of us no know waiting they come for us. A day shall come where we go they buy peaceful slippers for our whole of them man. Come they say 7 a.m. inside forest. Mandela's way get 99 intelligence. No go buy relax at the chillas for their whole of them man. Shine your eyes. Our country is bleeding. Our country is bleeding.
You that watch this video, what is your own opinion? What do you have to say? Please drop it in the comment section. Let's know what you think. And don't forget to follow me on this channel by hitting the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so that anytime I publish the next video, you will get notification. I really appreciate your time for watching. Bye.